very good day to all of you. This is Gavin. I'm back with another video. I thank you all for all the support and love that you guys have shown. And today I am actually going to add to my previous videos, the ones that I have. If you have seen the videos that to how to enhance your PC's performance, this is just another addition to the same thing. It's like your cache is full or your computer is a bit slow while it's processing. When you open your Excel file, it's slow. So there are just 3 steps that you need to follow, and God willingly, you'll feel the change. You'll feel your PC is better now. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. The 3 points that I've already given you over here. It's one is your C drive property. You got to go clean up all the cache over there, your temp file, and the startup in MS Config. I'll go step by step. Let's go first and do the C drive properties. You'll have to watch the video till the end to really understand what's really happening over here. So I go to C drive, I go to the properties, I go to disk cleanup. Okay, go to disk cleanup. You see this option. You click cleanup system files. It will calculate. It will just take a bit of time. Okay, here you see. Okay, I usually clean my system up, and so you won't see much of a data over here, because over here you will see all the Windows update. It goes up to GBs. So you have to do nothing. You just make sure everything is selected over here, and you just click OK, and it will auto delete everything. See, it says cleaning up drive C. All it's doing is it's cleaning up your cache on the machine itself. So and even if you see this description over here, it says the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files, so you don't have to worry about it. None of your important data will go. Okay, this is done. You're done with the C properties. Then what you do is, the second point here is your temp file. Okay, this is also easy. You press your Windows and R key, you go to run, and you see here you write here temp and press OK, and you'll see a window somewhat like this opening. So what all you do is you press a control A. I repeat, you press control A here, and you press shift delete. Not all files will get deleted, but most of it will go. These are all those unnecessary files that are running on your machine. You press try again, whatever has to move will go, otherwise you press skip. Okay, this is done. And then lastly, what you do is you go to your MS Config startup. This way your computer startup will also work very fast. So same thing, you go to Windows and you press R, and you write your MS Config, click enter. See here, this is what you'll see, and you go to startup. This Windows open, it says system configuration. Windows open, you go to startup, and startup you go to open task manager. Okay, very clearly, listen very carefully to this. Please don't make any mistakes here. You see this publisher over here. You got to see what unknown files you have, and all those files that most probably see, I have also disabled my Microsoft files that I don't need. I don't need Xbox app services, so I've disabled it. I don't need Windows Share Studio, so I've disabled it. I don't need Wondershare Studio, so I've disabled it. I need my security, so I've enabled it. Other than that, whatever I don't need, I've disabled it. So you do the same. How to disable it, I'll tell you. You click on whatever you want to have disabled or enabled. Like for example, my security is enabled. I'll just click on this, and you see the disabled is active. So you click disabled, this will automatically get disabled. Same way, whatever things you need that you think like, yeah, this Adobe Gamma loader something, now I don't need it, so it's enabled. I'll just disable this. So you see it's disabled over here now. It's done. I'll just close this window as it is. I'll say OK, and it will most probably ask for a restart on the computer. So all I'll do is I'll just restart the computer, and voila, my computer should be as fast, as good as it was new. So I hope this has helped you, and if you want to know more on this, my 2 videos, I've already made 2 videos in the same regards. So how to enhance your RAM and how to fasten your PC. So all these three together will boost up your machine. Though they are three separate videos, but if you look at all of them together, they'll boost up your machine. So I hope it's of some help to you. And if you want me to address something again, please do let me know in the comment section or my email, and we'll meet soon again with another video. Thanks, take care, God bless you all.